Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deploy Google AI Studio app on Vercel. The first thing I want you to do is actually go to Google AI Studio, come here, click on your apps, open up the app that you want to go and deploy to Vercel. So I'll open up this one, and then I just want you to come here to the top right, and I want you to click on this icon that says Save to GitHub. If you haven't logged in already, they'll ask you to go ahead and log into your GitHub account so you can do this. And then here I'll go ahead and type in a repository name. So I'll just go ahead and name this Zen Timer, and we'll just name this Gemini right there. I use the same name for the repository description. Visibility, I'll keep it at public. Click on Create GitHub Repo, and then it will go ahead and sync our changes. It's creating a repository for us. And then all I want you to do now, once it's done loading the file differences, I want you to scroll down here, click on Stage and Commit All Changes. And once it is done syncing all of this, you can actually go ahead and come here, click on this to confirm if they've actually uploaded. So as you can see, Zen Timer Gemini right here, and then you come here to Vercel. And what I want you to do is actually click on Continue with GitHub, and I want you to sign in here, give permissions. I'll go ahead and authorize Vercel. There you go, connection completed. Then after that, I want you to come here, and I want you to refresh. And all I need you to do now is go ahead and click on Add GitHub Account. Go ahead and get your Vercel right here. We'll go ahead and install this, and I'll use all repositories. I'll come here, click on Install, and now we're getting redirected. After this, I want you to come here, make sure you've chosen your GitHub repository and account. So here I have my account selected. This is my repository. As you can see, I just uploaded this one 47 seconds ago. I'll click on Import, and then you can just come here, go ahead and make the settings, go ahead and choose whatever you want. Come here, click on Deploy, and as you can see right now it is deploying, and in just a few moments it will be done. So you can scroll down here and see the status of the deployment. And there you go, it has just been deployed, as you can see, and then you can just go ahead and continue to your dashboard. And here you can adjust the domain if you want, but we're basically done. And that is how to deploy Google AI Studio app on Vercel. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.